Guess what I am? Triceratip. No, seriously though. This is just the tip of the iceberg. We're gonna prep these tri-tip, leave them in the fridge overnight. We're gonna give them a little rub down with this Bob De Niro's Dave Navarro's habanero sauce right here. It'll be our binder. Start with our salt. Just a little bit of coarse ground pepper. This isn't gonna be a very long cook, so we don't want too much on there. We're not cooking Triscuits.
Piss off.
And then a nice healthy dose of seasoned in the abyss. The heaviest coating being that of seasoned in the abyss, so we can create a nice bark on these things. We'll lay these out on a rack like this. They fit really nicely together like a puzzle. And then we'll just set them in the fridge, open, not covered, just like this, overnight until we throw them in the smoker about noon tomorrow. Let's fire up Fatty so we can get these tri-tips in. Always remember, when you go out to eat, be a big tipper. Now that's the tip of the mountain. We're gonna set these suckers in there. We're running cherry wood, and our target temp is about 250, and we're gonna run them until they're about 125 to 128, let them cool all the way down, and then we're gonna finish these things off either on the grill or in the oven at about 500 degrees. Let's roll. We're gonna monitor these wireless monitors. Oh, tri-tip! Kick flips! Tri-tips and kick flips. We got these things temping at about 126. We're gonna pull them, let them cool all the way down, and then hard sear them in the oven or on the grill. We got a chainsaw going on back there. We're gonna spray them with olive oil. We are going to sear these off. It's on fire. Oh. Let's bust this thing open. Ooh. Oh yeah. Look at that. Mm-hmm. That's what we need. Won't be no slut like. Mm-hmm. That's good. That bark on the outside is absolutely amazing. It's a quick cook, a few hours on the smoker at 250 to an internal temp at about 126. Let it rest until cool, and then sear it off on the grill. Absolutely amazing. You should try this tip. 1, 2,